Welcome to How to Master. This video I'll show you how to create a seller account on Upwork. So first open Upwork, and now obviously if you don't have an account, tap on new to Upwork and sign up. Then you just need to fill out all this information with your first name, last name, email, and password. Once you do all of that, check the last box and tap on create my account. It will say congratulations, and then you'll have to verify your email address. So I have the email right here, and all I have to do is tap on verify email. Now it will take you to the browser where you have to log in again with that information. So type in your email address and then tap on continue. Then the password you created. Once you hit login, just tap on get started. It will ask you for your level of experience, so select one and click on next. Then it will ask your biggest goal for freelancing and just a bunch of other questions. So just go through these, select one, and then keep clicking on next. Once you've gone through most of the questions, it will ask you to tell them about yourself. So you can upload your resume or you can type manually about yourself. So then they'll ask you what you're here to do, like what topic you want to do in freelancing. So just go through these questions. After going through most of the questions, they will ask you to write a bio about yourself. Once you're done the bio, they'll ask you how much you want to make hourly. Then they'll ask you to fill out all these personal details. So when you're done, just simply tap on next. And your profile is now ready. If this video helped you, consider subscribing to support the channel.